The Mustang has always been every boy's favorite car. Many dream about it, and the new 2026 Mustang takes it to a whole new level. Today on Rado Motor, we will see why it's insane. Let's get started. Exterior design. The 2026 Mustang looks sharper and more aggressive than ever. It is about 4.79 meters long, 2 meters wide, and 1.39 meters tall, giving it a wide, muscular stance. The front has a bold grille and sharper headlights, while the rear fenders are wider, giving it a strong and sporty look. Optional 19-inch wheels make it look even more powerful. Whether you choose the fastback or the convertible, this Mustang commands attention wherever it goes. Mustang engine or power. Under the hood, the Mustang 2026 has multiple options. The base EcoBoost comes with a 2.3-liter turbo engine making 315 horsepower and 350 Nm of torque. The classic 5.0-liter V8 delivers about 480 horsepower and 415 Nm of torque, giving that real muscle car feeling. The top dark horse trim pushes it to 500 horsepower, with even stronger torque. All Mustangs are rear-wheel drive, and you can choose 6-speed manual or 10-speed automatic. This means whether you want a smooth city drive or a thrilling track experience, Mustang has you covered. Quote, performance and handling. Mustang 2026 comes with sport-tuned suspension and independent rear suspension, giving you smooth handling and stability. There are selectable drive modes, so you can switch between daily driving comfort and full-on performance mode. Optional performance tires and upgraded brakes make it even more ready for aggressive driving. Whether cruising or racing, this Mustang feels planted and exciting. Interior design and features. Inside, Mustang mixes classic muscle vibes with modern tech. There's a digital dashboard and a big touchscreen infotainment system. The cockpit is driver-focused, with comfortable leather seats that hold you during fast turns. New for 2026. Ambient lighting, better cabin insulation for quieter rides, and more interior customization options like seat belt colors. Connectivity is strong too, with options like Wi-Fi hotspot in some trims. Even with its sporty feel, the Mustang is surprisingly practical for daily driving. Quote, the 2026 Mustang isn't just about power. It has fresh colors, updated body lines, tech upgrades, and more comfort inside. The new Mustang blends raw muscle with refined features, making it fun, powerful, and usable every day. This generation makes sure you feel that Mustang excitement, but with modern convenience. If you want a daily car that's still fun, the EcoBoost is perfect. If you want classic muscle with heart-thumping power, the V8 and dark horse trims deliver like a dream. From its aggressive design, roaring engine, and comfy interior to modern features, the 2026 Mustang is a mix of classic and modern perfection.